Hey everyone, thanks for joining today. So we're gonna try and do it in under 2 minutes to learn the concatenate function in Excel. So the first thing is, what does the concatenate function do? The concatenate function adds cells together. So in this case, we're gonna add cell A and we're gonna cell B. So we want the complete name of this person here. Okay, so to get to there, we're gonna go to formulas. We're gonna go to function. So concatenate is here for me. If you don't see it on yours, type in concatenate up here, then click go, it'll bring it, then you double click on it. So text 1 is going to be the first text you want on the left hand side, so it'll be Sophie. The next text I should say is going to be text 2, so text 2 is going to be Collins. In this case we don't have a text 3, so we're going to be okay with that, so click OK. So it's concatenated the two cells as we wanted. Personally, I do not like how there is no space between the two names. So if you want to add a space, right after the comma, put your cursor, go Shift, cell 2, brings up the little exclamation mark, space, Shift 2, and then put a comma, and then click Enter. When you do that, you've now added a space between, so it looks much more professional. Drag it down, and now you have successfully learned to use concatenate function. Hope you learned something out of this, guys, and enjoy the video. If you could, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks, have a good day.